Hello everybody and welcome back to the video. Today we're going to rename a folder on the desktop. So first of all, before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we're going to import the OS module. And now we're going to create a function here, so I'm going to call it rename folder, which makes it very clear to anybody reading the code what it's about. So we're going to create the path, and I've already created a folder on my desktop called new. So this is the path to it. It's going to be C://users mark // desktop. Okay, this is the path on my computer here. On your computer it will be different, so you'll have to find the path to your desktop, because if you just type this in on your computer it will throw an error. Okay, so we're going to use os.CHDIR, which is change directory, and we're going to change directory to the path. And then we're going to use a conditional, so if os.path.exists, and we're going to give the name of the file, the name of the folder, which is going to be new. Okay, so if this exists, we're going to print folder exists. And then we're going to do something. We're going to say os.rename, and the folder is called new here. So this is the folder that we want to rename, and we're going to rename it to folder X. Okay, and then we're just going to do an else if something else happens in the program. Let's say print, for example, folder doesn't exist. Okay, right, all we need to do now is to call this program, and it's called rename folder. Save it and let's run it. So that is the folder that we're going to rename. Okay, let's go back to this and let's run the program. Okay, so the folder exists, so it should have renamed it. Let's go back there, and there we go. The folder is folder X. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, hit that subscribe button below, give it a like and drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.